You pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for.
Good morning everyone. Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I am going to insert my closure that I unboxed with you guys. Did you guys remember I unboxed this hair with you guys? Like I said before in that video, if you have not seen when I unboxed this video, try and check out the video. I'll be putting up the picture, like the video up here, for you all to see how the hair looks and where I got it from. If you are interested, I'm going to leave the link on the description for you all to check it out. So guys, like I said before, this is my first time trying to do this. Like I have done it before, but not like this. Like that one is just normal center parts, like center closure, but that one you don't have to style it. It's just for you to cut it, just only the center, just for you to cut the center and you are good to go. Like when the center closure, you know what the type of center closure I'm talking about, the center one, not the front closure, not the full front closure. That normal one you just put on your head and take it like that, without styling it and all that. So that is the one I have put on my hair, but this one I have not put it. Even when I put it on my hair, it was somebody that helped me to insert it on my wedding day. When I did the frontal on my wedding day, it was somebody that actually helped me because I don't know how to do it. So guys, this is me trying this for the very first time, how I'm going to do this. Like guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you are just coming across my video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Just watch how I am going to achieve this look, guys. It's not easy. You just look it as if it's easy like this. It was not easy. The struggle was real. But let me know the outcome of this video, if it's worth the stress. But I know it's because it's my first time, that's why it's stress. But I know if I'm going to do it again, it's not going to be like this, since I've already know what to do. Okay, just let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And you can also use the super thanks. Is a way to say thank you. It's a way to appreciate this video. It's a way to support this family. Okay guys, let me allow you to watch this video to the end and drop your opinion, guys. I ordered this tinted lace mouse from AliExpress. That is where I got mine from as a first time user, so I have to get all those things, the thing I needed and all that. But for the two big gum and spray gel, I got them on a normal supermarket here in Italy. That's where I got it from. I have that for so long, but I've not used it, so this is the right time for me to use it, right? And the band and the wax stick, I also got the wax stick on AliExpress. That's where I got it from, in case you want to know. That's where I got that from, and that is it.